Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please go ahead and click on subscribe and also click on that bell to receive all the updates and activities on my channel. So today we have a product review of the JoyTutus rectangular quick disconnect mirror kit for your Jeep Wangler. This kit will work on 2008 JK all the way up to 2017 2-door or 4-door. Right, so it's that time of year where everybody is looking to take their tops off and the doors off and enjoy the nice weather. But as soon as you take the doors off, the mirrors come off with it, and this will allow you to install mirrors and be completely safe and legal on the road. So, full disclosure, JoyTutus reached out to me and offered this product in exchange for my review. They are not paying me for this review, but they did supply the product. If at the end of the video you like this, go ahead and check out the description. There will be a link that will bring you out to the seller storefront on Amazon where you can buy it for yourself. With that being said, let's go ahead and pop off the top and remove the doors and install the mirrors. So now that we have the doors removed, we're going to remove the two upper windshield bolts. These are T40s and these are Torx. Go ahead and pop those out. So with the two upper windshield mount bolts removed, go ahead and take the mounting bracket with the nuts are face down, and then all we're going to do is we're going to insert it in. Alright, so then you're going to take the mounting base, and then you're going to take the shaft, put it in the base, put it in there. In approximate location. And tighten down the thumb screw. Leave that loose for now so we can do any adjustments. Then you're going to take the mirror, take the bolt out of the mount. Pass it through. Now we're going to tighten it up very loosely. Alright, so now that you have the mirror loosely mounted, what you want to do is you want to go sit in the driver's seat and get the approximate location dialed in, and then once you do that, so you can see through your mirrors, go ahead and tighten this. This is a 14mm bolt. Go ahead and tighten that first, and then go ahead and tighten the thumb screw, and so it picks up the tension between the two ears and it locks down on the shaft. Don't be afraid to tighten that, because if you don't, it is pretty loose. But once you tighten it with a set of channel locks, it does firm up. Alright, so the top's off, the doors are off, mirrors are on. We are ready to go for a ride. Let's go.
Shut up and sit down.
Alright, so we just came back from a ride. They actually work out pretty well. Just a little bit of vibration in it, but nothing that's gonna impair your vision. So I will give them a thumbs up. They work out great. They look pretty good, so no complaints. If there's any questions, comments, concerns, go leave them in the comments box and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.